Domain mapping is a very useful feature when you want to use your own domain for your Pageable site. So for example, on this site, we have turned domain mapping on, and instead of going to sirenscloset.pageable.com, it actually shows up as sirenscloset.com. So what happens is when you have this feature turned on and your site is using your own domain, when you go and launch Pageable, for example, on this same site, I am going to edit this demo page and I click Pageable to launch it as I would as usual. However, you will see that none of the Pageable editing options and elements come up at all. Well, that is because domain mapping has to be turned off before you can edit it with Pageable. So to do that is very simple. Let me go back here one page. And what you need to do is go to your admin. Under Tools, you would click on Domain Mapping, which will take you to this page as we see here right now. And as you see here, the primary domain right now is set to my own domain. And what you need to do is turn it over back to Pageable domain and set that as a primary domain. And now when you go and click on Pageable to launch it, all the editing elements come up as they should, and you can now edit it as they should. Now you don't have to keep it that way. Once you're done with your editing, you just publish your changes, then come back to domain mapping and set it back to your primary domain and set that. And now instead of sirenscloset.pageable.com, if I refresh this page, it will show up as my own domain.